Right, so just going to go on the old 4 o'clock net, and to make a bit of a change we're going to use the CRT Superstar 9900, which is a really good sort of 10 metre radio. So should get a few of the guys on here, and yeah, hopefully we'll get a few sort of contacts. I can hear Paul on already, so let's go.
And I said I'd tell you on Facebook, if you think of a make of firework that relates to cars, that's what I'm driving. Sorry, what was that? Sorry, go again, Steve. Don't matter, mate, forget it. Okay, yeah. Hope you had a good day at work today, mate. Yeah, it was alright, thanks, Dave. It's good to be back. Just had Thursday, Friday off when we're back. And I thought, you know what it's like, you've had a bit of a sickie. When you go back, you wonder what's going to be said. But everyone was fine, mate. Oh, that's good. That's the main thing, mate. Yeah. Sorry to hear about your back. I did put a comment on Facebook, but I don't suppose you've had a chance to look at it. So, yeah, I hope your back's feeling a lot better there. Yeah, just go over to Uncle Eric there, Uncle Barry, sorry. Yeah, Barry, you copy? Yeah, you out there, Barry?
Yeah, Barry, do you copy? Yeah, good afternoon, Dave. Always nice to hear your voice. Dave, what radio are you running today? So you're coming over loud and proud, over.
Yeah, I've got I'm using the DSS 9000, yeah?
Oh, nice one there, Dave. Is that standard microphone or are you using a power mic?
Yeah, I'm using the teardrop on it there, Fred, yeah?
Oh, Roger, yeah, I thought you had a little bit of amplification on it. Well, it's sounding nice, Dave. Hopefully I'll get a bit of video off it and you'll be able to hear yourself. I'm on the Superstar CRT 9900 today, so I'll probably sound a little different over.
Paperwork there, and he was going to get his head down, and he's going in tonight. So he was using the 9900 in his van, yeah?
Yeah, we got a break there, Dave. Do you want to try and bring him in? He's a bit in the back of the box to me.
Yeah, hold on a minute, Paul. Yeah, did you hear that, Fred? Can you hear Paul?
Yeah, that's a Roger. I've got Paul today. He's probably the best he's ever been. He's still a little bit in the back of the box, but I can hear his Roger bleep, over.
Yeah, Paul, Fred said he can hear you. You're a bit in the back of the box, but he did hear your Roger bleep there, yeah? Yeah, likewise, yeah, Paul's saying he can hear you in the back of the box there, Fred, and just about make out what you're saying, Rog.
Yeah, cheers, Dave. That probably sounds about right. I'm not running the usual power. I'm well down on power, about half power. Okay, Dave, look, I'm going to pass it back to Charlie Tango 318 mobile. So back over to you, Steve. Okay, Steve, QSL, all understood. Now, did I hear Eric on the side, or was that Paul's Roger bleep? I'm not used to hearing Paul. So, yeah, Eric, are you on the side? Come in.
Roger, I am on the side. Over.
I thought it was you, Eric. Oh, nice to have you on board.
It's not fair that. Yeah, I've put a new battery in my microphone. I don't know whether I'm over the top with it.
All right, Eric. Well, say nice to you. All right then, Dave. I'll pass it back to you as you can hear Paul, and I'll let you sit in a chair.
Alright, cheers for that, Fred. Yeah, I'll say good afternoon to Eric. Yeah, afternoon, Eric. How are you, mate? Not bad. You sound different to me this afternoon. Is that alright? Yeah, I'm on the old Derland DSS 9000, yeah? I see, yeah. Yeah, well, I had to put a new battery in my microphone. Yeah, as you know, it's a power microphone. I was talking to Paul today, and I had to put the side over right to the minimum. Oh, roger on that. Yeah. Well, you're coming over to me fine there. No problem at all there, Eric. Boomy, the audio. Like you're on a bass mic, but if you're on a bass mic or you've got the stag a little way away from your mouth, we'll do that. But, yeah, it'd be interesting. If I remember, I'll look that rig up, Dave. Yeah, roger on that. Yeah, just turn the volume down to halfway there. I think I'll probably have it about 3/4 of the way up there, so I don't know whether that's made any difference. Yeah, a Derland, because they do a Derland 3900. It's like a Superstar 3900, but it's in black, and it's a French company.
Yeah, I was just going to sort of carry on what Steve said, because you're nearer to me, and yeah, I agree, Dave. It is very, very loud on the modulation, and you are coming across just very slightly low to me on frequency, Dave. Not a lot, but just a little bit. But as I say, it is that microphone is really driving the radio, maybe just a little bit too hard over. Yeah, that's a little bit better, Dave. It still sounds that it's pushing it just perhaps a little bit too hard. I mean, it's perfectly readable, Dave. I'm not criticising it, but just carrying on with what Steve said over. Yeah, no problem there, Dave. Yeah, I've got quite a bit on video. You'll sort of hear what me and Steve sort of mean. And anyway, this is 1664. I'll sit back on the side there and let you carry on with Steve. Over. Actually hearing Paul today, which is a first. It's a good little radio, this, you know. So just starting to lose Steve now as he goes up the M1. He's talking to Paul in Luton. I just can't get him. He's put up a Game Master now. Fred. Yeah, Roger, Dave, all understood. Yeah, I'll probably get that one video up, if not tonight, maybe tomorrow night, and you'll be able to see what we're sort of saying. And yeah, that'd be good. All right then, Dave, enjoy your meal, and hopefully catch you again. It's overdriving that radio, that microphone that Dave's using. Yeah, I say Dave's coming across okay, but I think that microphone is definitely overdriving the radio. Hopefully I'll be able to show him the video, Steve.
Yeah, likewise. Sounds bloody horrible to me, to be perfectly honest. No, that one what I said, I was saying it was weird. It looked like that you turned the rig on and that's all it was.
Yeah, I think it sounded better when he sort of started off. I think as perhaps the radio warmed up, I mean, you know, being it is an older radio, sort of everyone else was pretty much on the same frequency.
Yeah, I've just been listening to you guys out there. I did hear Fred in the shed. He was having his break at lunchtime. I never came in on the side. Steve, back to you.
Right, I think I'm going to end it there because I'm starting to lose Steve. But Eric coming in really, really nice. And what they were talking about is true, actually. I haven't used this radio for almost a year and decided to set it up today. And when I switched it on, it was on the 27275, which was the last frequency I used. And the last person I chatted to was Steve, as you heard there. And just by a chance at 12:30 I just switched it on and he came on straight away. It was quite spooky. And yeah, so we had a little bit of a QSO there on his lunch break. So yeah, I'm going to end this video. So it's nice to get the old 9900 out and running again. I can use this one downstairs if it's too hot up in the attic shack. And yeah, a nice few guys on there. And I'll put this one up for Dave, so Dave can hear that radio. Just slightly driving it a little bit too hard, I think, on the with the power microphone. So I'll just go back to the guys and then I'll end the video. Cheers, thanks for watching.
Well, I've never had that predicament myself. You know, I've only had, when I put my Amshot 99 up, I didn't solder the tip on the end of the coax, you know, so it came down. But I mean, I'm talking about 11, 12 years ago, you know. Now, what I always say is, once things up and they're running all around.